Go, don't wait for me. I'm getting beard old, mate. Here we are at South Stack Lighthouse. Now I've got a shot from here a while ago when I came with Shabazz, I think it was a couple of years ago, from the top. Beautiful shot as usual, but I've decided I wanted something different this time. So we've come down from the other side, the first car park, just on the left hand side. There's like stairs coming down, as you can see, and we've decided to come down this way. So we're just going to wait for the sun to go down. It is going to be in the side, not quite sure what that's going to do, what kind of image it's going to give us, but I'm just going to go down here, have a bit of a walk around, a bit of a gander, see what we can get. But that looks absolutely spectacular even from here. Absolutely loving it. Something about the sea and lighthouses that I really like. I would love to go down, but obviously you can't. I think the other two are up there somewhere doing their thing. Beautiful. Got some time to just relax. It's very calm, it's not windy at all. Really looking forward to getting some great shots over here, getting some great footage. I have seen this little observatory thing where you can actually go inside and have a look at stuff, but it's actually closed, I think. It's free, which was awesome. They give you cameras and, sorry, not cameras, they give you binoculars and CCTV footage as well to have a look at. It's just a shame it's closed actually. I'd have loved to have gone in here and had a look. But yeah, it's free, so I'm just gonna... So there's some nice cliffs on this side as well actually. Not quite bad, they look quite nice. The path obviously does go around because it's like the walk. And the mountain range that you can see here is stunning. Absolutely beautiful mountain range. Just in a bit of mist over there that I can see, low mist settling down slowly. And it does look really nice and peaceful. So I'm just gonna set up somewhere, get some footage, and then enjoy the sunset and then head back. Close to the edge, just like before, and I've got some shots with the long lens. I just wanted to get it because the light's quickly going, and I'm going to use the medium 4-stop which Mark gave me, so thank you so much for this, Mark. First time I'm using this one. Make sure that junk goes in your pocket, and I'm trying to keep a hand on the actual camera as well. The 4-stop is quite spectacular actually. Absolutely stunning. You can see that. It's just, I don't know, I mean, since Nisi have brought these filters along, they've just literally changed my life. I'm telling you, I absolutely love them. Wow. Right, just gonna plot that onto the actual camera. Using a 3-stop there as well, just to even everything else out, give it a bit darker, longer exposure. Some beautiful colors here today. Absolutely stunning. So as for positioning, I'll just show you where I am. There you go. There I am. I'm not really going to want to let go. It's pretty close to the ledge. If you look over, that's what it looks like. The lighthouse just there, some stunning colours. The sun's just gone down there now, looking quite nice. Gonna carry on getting this shot, quickly expose for it. Let's turn that back on. You see that gloves have come on, it's getting kind of cold, and all the seagulls are settling down there as well. Just there, we've got some stunning colours in the sky actually. I absolutely am adoring the whole thing. Okay, carry on. What I'm actually going for intentionally now is a longer exposure. So I've still got my ISO 150 and I'm just really getting those colours in. Just making sure that everything's in focus. Yeah, okay, fantastic. And so the image you can see now, 15 seconds, f14, ISO 50. Again, just to give me this beautiful colours, the whole motion on in the sea there, just above the cliffs, and a nice bit long exposure. I mean, it's not really long, there's no cloud movement as such, but to get everything else and all the colours, it just looks absolutely stunning. I'm really happy that we came down here for the evening. So just continuing, got a few more different compositions as the sun's going down. I think colours might come a little bit, I can't really tell. I'm not the best at weather really. Just see how it goes really. So that's the setup, like I said. Looks really good, really happy. Bit of back of camera. Our Wales, we love you so much. on the edge again, found another composition which I think works quite well. I'm actually going around to that side to get that cliff. I mean, they always say always look behind you, see what you can get. I missed the light, but I do like the cliff, and I don't think I can see the mountains in the distance now. A lot of mist coming in, but I'm going to give it a shot. But this again is just really, really nice. It's just presenting you with so much opportunity, and it's just a matter of moving down and getting all this foreground in. I'm just going to quickly run back, so I'm just a bit scared. It's right on the edge. Ash! Right, just to give you an idea. Too close for comfort. What am I waiting for? Ah! Right, that one's done. I'm going to go over to the other side, which is where I initially was going to go, but I think I've lost the light. Let's have a quick gander. Right, gonna look. Plus the thing is, right now it's kind of getting dark, obviously, and I've still got the 3-stop filter on, so I'm just taking my picture down a bit from like f16 to 14. I mean, I'm at like my sharpest point anyway, so I should be alright anywhere between there. Just realised my road mic and my camera's got a load of mud on it. Okay, that's it. Wow. If I could even get down there, I'd be so happy. That is beautiful. Just gotta find myself a composition now, see what I can do. Now I'm gonna run around like a mad cat. I found another edge and my heart's pumping with like fear and excitement, being right close to the edge as well. I mean, I'm trying to move away to be careful, but that is just phenomenal. I'm just going to show you so you can see what I'm on about. I'm still shooting with the with a 3-stop on there and the 4-stop medium grad, and sorry. Right, so yeah, just fix it. Three-stop medium, 4-stop grad, medium grad, 3-stop ND. 30 seconds, because I really want to smooth for the water because it's not dark enough yet. F14 ISO 100. I have to notch my ISO up again from there to 100 just to get this shot. And I'm just loving this. I mean, there wasn't much colour in the sky today. If there was, that would have been lit up really nicely and it would have been the shot. I'm loving that. Okay, that's done. Back up before it gets too dark and they start getting all worried, but look at that. Guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you until the next one. All the best. Hope you enjoy that. See ya.